Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and today I'm going to talk about the deal which are getting in India on the Pixel 4a. As you all know that the Pixel 4a is a brilliant phone which is launched by Google in India, and it will be available for the big billion day sale on Flipkart on the 16th and onwards. The sales which are there, though the first sale will be on 16th of October, and the variant which we are getting is 6 GB and 128 GB. As you all know, I'd been a Pixel 2 user for a very long time, almost used that phone for 2.5 years, and the experience which I had with the Pixel phone is brilliant, guys. Let me tell you all. So if you want a pure एंड्रॉयड एक्सपीरियंस लाइक जो होता है ना अपना सबसे अनइंटरप्टेड the one which is like the most pure form of Android, which you will be able to see it in Pixel phones only. Uh, okay, regarding with the photos and the Pixel 4a is quite a good camera. I mean, as you all must have seen in the reviews and all. And one of the best things what I like about the Pixel is you can take this particular night photography. This called an extra photography. Also, the portraits and all are brilliant. So another good feature about the Pixel is that you are getting the update, almost promise update for 3 years plus actually, and the smoothness is awesome, guys. So since the hardware is also optimized by Google, and also the software, that's how the originally uh, Google intended the Android to be. The only thing you can see it in a Pixel. So hence I recommend this to anybody who is on a budget of around 30-35, or people who are looking at least whose budget is around 25-27. You all know which phone is available for those 25-27. So instead of that, I would recommend going for the Pixel, because it is going to last you for a very long time, almost like 2 to 3 years, unless definitely if you don't drop it. And the experience on Pixel is always good, guys, and is one of the best phones which I have used. So in previous videos and all on iPhone, have showcased that particular phone. You all can just go and check my other videos, the one which why I have explained not to put a scratch guard on a iPhone 11. Okay, anyways, this Google Assistant and all is brilliant. I'm not so sure if it is going to get that switch, what do you call that, switch to activate the Google Assistant. Usually I used to not use that particular feature much. And yeah, this is it, guys. So if you like this particular video, or if you want me to make about such a video regarding with the deals and all, let me know in the comments below. And please don't miss this particular deal. It is available on 16th of October this year for the big billion day. I mean, the Pixel 4a is one of the best phones I can recommend. Instead of going for other phones, like I know most of your friends and all are going to recommend something like going for the something like iPhone SE 2. Android and iOS, it's completely like a different kind of operating system. So instead of that, like I would 100% recommend going for the Pixel instead of the iPhone SE. So thanks for watching, guys. Do let me know what you think about this particular phone, and let me know in the comments below if you are really interested in in buying this particular phone. You are thinking of buying this phone or gifting it to someone. So if you like this particular video, hit the like button, share among your friends, and make sure you subscribe for this kind of awesome videos. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.